January 9th, 1970, 11:47 p.m. A pilot records this message before his final flight into Biafra. This is Whiskey, Tango, 7. If you're hearing this, I didn't make it out. They told us Uli was impossible. A highway that becomes a runway. Kerosene lamps for lights. Landing in total darkness while they shoot at you. I've flown into war zones for 20 years. This is different. It's not the guns. It's what we are carrying. Powdered milk, medicine. Not enough. Never enough. I've seen the children. Bellies swollen. Eyes too big for their faces. The world knows. They just don't care enough. If this plane goes down, tell my family I found something worth dying for. Whiskey Tango 7, beginning descent. He landed, delivered the cargo, took off with refugees. His plane was hit 6 minutes after takeoff. He was one of hundreds. They kept flying anyway. This is Uli, the airstrip that refused to die.